According to eMarketer, TikTok users still spend an average of 52 minutes a day in-app, which keeps it far ahead of most networks. If your ads cannot win attention in those 52 minutes, your budget is donating to the scroll. And here's the kicker. 45.5% of US TikTok users are expected to make a purchase on the platform this year. So We Creative is literally leaving money on the table. Hey everyone, Kay here. Today with Vidpros, we are breaking down the best TikTok video ad examples and the exact creative moves you can copy to boost watch time, lower CPA, and turn scrollers into buyers. We will pull out the hook styles, edits, captions, and calls to actions that make these winners pop, then show you how to adapt them to your brand without guesswork. Before we dive into the ad examples, here is the game plan. Each one is a template you can copy, not a trophy to admire. Read why it works to get the mechanic, use action steps to build your version, then check result to set realistic targets. Do. Upload 3 to 5 creative variations per ad group. Why? More signals help the system find the cheapest conversions faster. How? Test different hooks, first frames, captions, and CTAs. Refresh weekly or when watch time dips. Now let's see examples of successful TikTok ads. 1. ELF Cosmetics. Eyes, lips, face. Why it works? An original track, creator first framing, and a simple prompt that anyone can copy turn product demo into participation. Action steps. Pair a branded sound with a repeatable visual routine. Prompt duets or stitches and celebrate remixes. Show quick before and after moments tied to product payoff. Result? Over 7 billion views, more than 5 million UGC videos, and roughly 1 billion views in the first week. Number 2. Chipotle. Hashtag Guac Dance. Why it works? A playful song plus a limited time hook creates urgency and makes joining effortless. Action steps. Tie your promo to a calendar moment and set a short window. Use a simple dance or gesture that users can copy in seconds. Make the CTA clear and time-lamped. Result? About 250,000 video submissions, 430 million video starts, and a record 802,000 size of guac served that day. 3. Guess. Hashtag in my denim. Why it works? Transformation content is native to TikTok. A before and after glow-up practically scripts itself and invites endless remixes. Action steps. Script a 5 to 10 second outfit change or reveal. Encourage viewers to post their own in my product moment. Keep captions short and directive with one clear tap target. Result. A first mover branded challenge that sparked wide creator participation and sustained fashion-led UGC. 4. Gymshark. 66 Days Challenge. Why it works? A named commitment plus authentic progress clips turns viewers into contributors and builds habit-forming momentum. Action steps. Name the challenge and define one daily action. Feature micro and macro creators to model the journey. Spotlight consistency and progress to fuel more entries. Result? Significant brand lift and engagement as hashtag Gymshark66 content spread across TikTok and beyond. 5. Duolingo. Mascot-led trend replies. Why it works? A distinct character reacts to trends in real time, which makes the brand feel like a creator and not a corporation. Action steps. Define a persona with a clear voice and boundaries. Post fast, keep cuts tight, and reply in character to comments. Jump on trending sounds and jokes while they are fresh. Result: rapid follower growth and strong repeat engagement driven by quick, funny, in-character posts. 6. Toyota Germany. In-feed carousel to configurators. Why it works? Creative variants map to different models and intentions, then push directly to next step tools like configurators. Action steps. Segment creatives by model and buyer path. Use carousels or multi-cut edits to match preferences. Point CTAs to configurators or quizzes to capture intent. Result: roughly 38% lower CPA compared to other lead ad formats in the same period. 7. American Eagle. Video shopping ads. Why it works? Try-on clips meet native shopping, so viewers browse items from the CTA card without leaving the feed. Action steps. Film quick outfit swaps or micro try-ons with jump cuts. Enable video shopping ads with clear directive descriptions. Keep the funnel short from discovery to add to cart. Result: about a 40% lift in ROAS with roughly a 32% lower CPA. 8. KFC Top View plus Creator Collab. Why it works? Premium placement secures reach, while creator-led storytelling keeps the content native to food talk culture. Action steps: use Top Viewer for launches and big beats. Let creators interpret the offer in their own voice. Retarget with in-feed units that answer objections. Result: around 221 million views, 9.3% engagement, and a 13.8% top view click-through rate. You can read more examples by visiting our website. Overall, to gain more traction on TikTok and show up on more For You pages, publish interesting, high-retention videos more often. Keep the first second tight and the CTA crystal clear. But editing videos can take a lot of time for you. And the next thing you know, you are already exhausted from thinking of more ideas. That is why you can always ask our professional video editors at Vidpros to edit your videos for you so you can spend more time generating ideas. We will turn raw clips into 3 to 5 testable variations per ad group, tighten the first second, add captions and clear CTAs, and export to TikTok specs. You get a steady pipeline of scroll stoppers while you stay focused on strategy. Ready to scale your TikTok ads? Reach out to us at Vidpros and let's get to work.